Welcome back to the channel, guys, and I'm back again with two stocks where we can find good investing opportunity. Now, with opportunity, how do you locate the opportunity? That's what I'm going to explain you. One, and two, I'm going to take the help of little technical parameter so that we can understand. Little support can help us in making better decisions, right? So let's come back here, but before that you can follow me on Twitter, which is at the rate @SEEMA2017. You can follow me on my Telegram handle, where I'm very active since morning and give a lot of breakout stocks, and we conduct live trading, right? If you join me on my Telegram channel, you can see the link out here. You will be able to do live trading with us. And the third place where you can really follow me is on the YouTube. So with this, let's go on to the two stocks that I'm talking about, right? दोनों के दोनों stocks बहुत different segments से हैं. एक FMCG you can say, or maybe you can say it's in the tiles category. The second one is a alloy wheel category. So let me start with the first stock, which is Orient Bell, right? So let me take you here. This is Orient Bell, and we're going to be talking about how does the structure looks. Do we invest in this stock? अगर हम invest करते हैं तो हमारा stop loss क्या रहेगा और हमारा target क्या रहेगा? So let's start with this. First and foremost, I have marked some boundaries. The first boundary is where we need to enter, right? Our entry is going to be above 550. Our stop loss is going to be 945, and the target, right? First target is going to be 600, and the second target is going to be 625. Then 650 is what, or 660 is what I can expect a good target. So in case it crosses 670, then my target is going to be 700 and 750, right? So these are my targets for Orient Bell. Now, before we really think about buying it, we should also understand what does the company do. और जब हमको ये समझ में आ जाएगा कंपनी क्या करती है, उसके बाद मैं आपको अपना क्राइटेरिया बताऊंगी. तो चलते हैं, पहले बात करते हैं कंपनी के फंडामेंटल्स पे चलते हैं एंड ओरिएंट बेल टाइप करते हैं. यहाँ पे ओरिएंट बेल आ गई. 781 करोड़ की कंपनी है और करंट प्राइस अबाउट 541. P is about 34, little higher. ROC is 5%. ROE is only 2.6%, right? Not very good. But let's come down here. Company has reduced debt. Company is almost debt free. Company is expected to give good quarters. तो कई बार ऐसा होता है कि कंपनी में at present बहुत अच्छे quarters नहीं होते हैं, बट कहीं ना कहीं मैनेजमेंट के डिसीजंस अच्छे होते हैं, कहीं ना कहीं जो उन्होंने पॉलिसीज बनाई होती है वो बेटर होती है, एंड फ्रॉम देयर कंपनी टेक्स अ टर्न, राइट? सो कंपनी इज एक्सपेक्टेड टू गिव अ गुड क्वार्टर. और दूसरी बात ये कि कोरोना का इफेक्ट धीरे धीरे जा रहा है, इकोनॉमी काइंड ऑफ रिवाइव कर रही है, तो दैट कुड आल्सो बी अ पॉसिबल वे बाय व्हिच वी कैन से दिस कंपनी में बी रिटर्निंग. Now stock is trading at 3.11 times its book value. The company's delivered poor sales growth and company has low return on equity and dividend payout has been low, right? So these are some cons. Now let's come down and understand what has happened into the company's fundamentals. So if you see here, from March 19, the sales was 165 crores, then reduced to 121, 123, 122. In Corona period, it reduced to only 43. Then June 21 again 87, and now in September and December quarter, the company has bounced back, right? So operating profit margins have also actually become better than what it was in June 2021, right? उसके बाद देखते हैं कि कंपनी की ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट मार्जिन हैज बीन प्रीटी मच कंसिस्टेंट ईयर ऑन ईयर basis. And I want to see what are the borrowings, right? So borrowings from 188 crore, 197 crores, it has gone down to only 21 crores. Reserves have increased quite dramatically, right? 237 crores is the reserve, right? So that makes a very good proposition. And the cash from operating activity, right? If you see, they have cash from operating activity in every year, right? There could be, net cash flow could be a challenge for the company, but year on year basis, they have generated cash from the operating activity. Now, after that, I want to see what is happening to the debtor days. If I see from 2018, 19, 20 and 21, the debtor days have gone down, right? Now, also I want to see what is happening to the promoters' stake. Promoters have increased their stake, right? In case promoters अपनी कंपनी में अपना स्टेक बढ़ाते हैं, मतलब उनको अपने प्रोडक्ट पे ट्रस्ट है, वो सोचते हैं कि आगे आने वाले दिनों में उनका प्रोडक्ट और ग्रो करेगा या मार्केट में इसकी डिमांड ज्यादा होगी और डिमांड ज्यादा होने से उनकी प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी ज्यादा होगी। अब देखते हैं व्हाट इज हैपनिंग टू एफआईआईज। बहुत थोड़ा सा इंक्रीमेंट हुआ है एफआईआईज में एंड डीआईआईज आर आल्सो very minimal in the company. Government has a stake, but I think they have also made the stake zero, and public has pretty much interest in in this company. So now let's also understand what exactly the company does, right? So this is Orient Bell. They actually, into floor tiles, wall tiles, bathroom tiles, kitchen tiles, room tiles, marble tiles, and wooden tiles, right? These are the things that they are basically into making tiles, right? And they have a pretty good store, designing store of about 2,500 tiles. And you can see scratch-free tiles, anti-skid tiles, wall tiles, heavy wood load tiles, a lot of kinds of tiles are they making, right? They are basically specifically into tiles, right? If you just see here, all kinds of tiles they have been making, right? Their speciality is into the tiles, right? With all, the India coming out of Corona, and then people are wanting to renovate the houses. This companies, the tiles will be in demand, and that will affect the company's profitability. So expecting this company to do well, now we come down to the structure of the company's price, right? If you notice, something out here, the company has been range bound. This price has been range bound almost like a month, right? And now today the company has given a breakout. Company has given a beautiful breakout, right? Now above 550, I can definitely expect a very good move in this stock. As I told you, the first target is going to be 600, then 625, 650, and 660, and above 670, I can expect 700 and 750. The holding period could be about 6 months to 1 year. And now I have told you that one technical support that you can take is look at the RSI. Which RSI am I looking at? I'm looking at daily RSI, right? This is a daily time frame. Look at the RSI. The condition is RSI should be above 60, right? The RSI should be above 60. So I'm going to put a line at 60. Hopefully, when the price crosses 550, RSI will also cross 60, right? So that's going to be a very good indication for you to take an entry. So this is first stock Oriental Bell, right? कहाँ पे बाय करना है? 550 के ऊपर बाय करना है. स्टॉप लॉस हमारा रहेगा कुछ 490 का, टारगेट हमारा रहेगा 660 का, होल्डिंग पीरियड कुछ अबाउट 2 से 3 महीने का रहेगा, और अगर 670 क्रॉस हो जाते हैं तो मेरा टारगेट रहेगा 750 का. और आपको you have to keep on accumulating at different levels, right? सारा पैसा एक जगह पे मत लगाइए. अब मैं आपको दूसरे स्टॉक के ऊपर लेके चलती हूँ. दूसरा स्टॉक है मेरा स्टील स्ट्रिप, right? SSWL, right? This is another stock that looks very good to me as of now. If you look into the broader picture, the stock has been consolidating, right? Stock has been consolidating for quite some time. Let me just draw something for you. This is a consolidation zone, right? Today it has made a very strong candle, right? So above this place, which is 850, I am expecting a good breakout. Another condition that I told you was that the RSI should be above 60. So today RSI has convincingly crossed 60 in this particular stock, right? So the price, the way it is moving, looks very strong, right? And if you see here, it has made one bottom, second bottom, third bottom, and this price, like if you notice, price has been slowly gradually shifting up right here, here, here. So this is a place where we can take an entry right above 850. Now let's talk about the company, because it's important for us to understand what exactly the company does. So this is a steel strip company and their products. I also would like to tell you here that the Steel Strip is a company which is almost like a monopoly company in India. What do they exactly do? They make alloy wheel, right? जैसे आपने देखा होगा wheels के जो कार या MUV alloy wheels जो होते हैं, they are manufacturer of those alloy wheels, right? Different alloy wheels. They are almost like, you can say, they have a monopoly in India. One of the largest alloy manufacturing company, steel strip alloy wheel, right? SSWL. So being a monopoly, and slowly, gradually, as the chip shortage is also, kind of being taken care of, the auto industry is slowly, gradually picking up. And as an effect, auto ancillaries will pick up, right? And this is one of the auto ancillaries, and they are actually only into making the alloy wheels, right? So the product, they have a huge demand, right? They're not even supplying to Indian clients, but they're also exporting it to various countries, particularly to the European market, right? Which makes it a very, very promising valuation. And not only that, the positioning of the stock is at this point of time is at a very good place. So यहाँ से मुझे लगता है इसमें एक बाइंग की अपॉर्चुनिटी आनी चाहिए. हमारा स्टॉप लॉस क्या रहेगा इसमें? स्टॉप लॉस रहेगा कुछ 760 का. ये हमारा स्टॉप लॉस रहेगा. बाय हम 850 के ऊपर करेंगे. फर्स्ट टारगेट हमारा रहेगा 900 का. 900 क्रॉस होने के बाद हम 950 देख सकते हैं, और 970 या 980 अगर क्रॉस होता है तो स्ट्रेट अवे वी कैन लुक फॉर अ टारगेट ऑफ 1100, राइट? अगर ये अपने लाइफ टाइम पे हाई को ब्रेक करता है विच इज 980, a target of 1100, 1200, 1300 can be easily seen. The only thing is it's been struggling to cross its lifetime high, right? अगर 980 के ऊपर जाता है, वहां से आपको 20 to 30% का मूव 100% मिलेगा, right? So important thing is that it should break 980. Keep on accumulating at different levels. कई बार ऐसा होता है कि स्टॉक बहुत रोटेट करता है और बहुत समय बाद ब्रेकआउट आता है. अगर ऐसा होता है तो आप फ्रस्ट्रेट हो जाते हो, आपको लगता है कि पता नहीं कब ब्रेकआउट आएगा. सो वेट फॉर इट टू क्रॉस 980. अगर 980 क्रॉस होता है तो थोड़ा और एक्यूमुलेट कर लीजिए. So these are two of my stocks. और अगर आपको इसी तरह का updates चाहिए about stocks and stock market, you can join me on my YouTube channel, which is stockpro, and keep learning, keep earning along with stockpro, and join me on Telegram to find live updates every single day when the stock market is on. Take care. Bye bye. See you.